How's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. Today we have some updates, and also later on I'll be doing some demonstrations on my 235.1. This is my mini Eclipse Invisible Nano screen. This is the wallpaper screen. Keep in mind we have a larger one coming in. We just ordered the surface for it. It's 4x8. It will be coming in pretty soon, and we'll be doing a larger scale version of it. So let's talk about what we have going on right now. Now, you all know that these screens are going to be launching on the 24th of this month. Also, on the 14th, we have that ceiling dedicated screen paint. We have an invisible version, a black version of it. So this is what I want to announce today also. We have available now on our website, because we had a lot of people asking us about the, these are the orders going out today for Nano, and some TI 47s, Ultra 4Ks are in there, but we've had customers asking us whether or not we're going to be making the Eclipse Nano and gallon containers. Now, like I said before, when we first started this, they were only available in 2-quart containers only, and then we were making them only in gallon containers just for companies only. As of now, customers now can actually get the 1-gallon containers. Now, keep in mind, 1-gallon containers will paint a screen size of a 100-inch all the way up to a 200-inch screen, 16:9. Also, to have certain forms of 235.1 you can actually do. Also with the screen paint, you can do 105, you can do 128, 138, 148. I got 178 on the wall. You know, anything within the range that will fall in around the 200-inch range of the screen. Now, keep in mind, let me show you our labels, the official labels for our company right there. So we got the Nano Black, we got the Nano Silver, and then over here we have the Platinum Slate Nano. Now, with the 1-gallon kits, we're going to have a free blackout cloth that's going to come with them, and the free Wagner paint sprayer. As always, these kits are not designed to be rolled on, they're designed to be sprayed on. That's the way we designed them. So here it is. We have the white 10x20 blackout cloth that will only be available with the black screen, with the black Nano. And also we have the black blackout cloth right here that will be available with the Platinum Slate or the Silver Nano. Also this will come with a free Wagner paint sprayer. Ordered a bunch of these. I got 20 of these downstairs. So this will come with a free Wagner paint sprayer that will allow you to be able to spray this onto your screen. Keep in mind, as I said before, that the Nano kits or Nano screen paint has to be sprayed on. It's something you do not roll, because it will streak the screen, because the formula is very thin, you know. All right, so also I wanted to add really quick that the deals that we had with the free Chromecast. Now, we had a package deal was going out for around $392. It came with a free Chromecast. It came with a free two quarts, not free 2 quarts. You paid for the 2 quarts. 2 quarts of the Nano, free color choice. Also, it came with the Wagner paint sprayer. That is now officially sold out. We had about 20 of them on the website. They're gone. So these are customers right now that are going to be receiving their free Chromecast. That, keep in mind, you can plug this into the back of your projector and turn your projector into a smart TV. We may be bringing it back out again, but as of now, that's sold out. All right, so for the 1-gallon kits, as I said before, will come with a free color option. Also, will come with the white 10x20. Keep in mind, this is a 10x20 blackout cloth. Freaking huge. 10x20 blackout cloth. The white ones will go with the black, and the black will go with the silver and the Platinum Slate. Also, will come with a Wagner paint sprayer. All right, so that's pretty much basically about it. Oh, and like I said, next video I will be doing a demonstration of my 235.1 custom Eclipse Invisible Nano. All right, so I got to get cracking. I got orders that are going out today. I got more orders that are coming on the website, and on top of that, I have contracts to do today. I got about 5 more contracts to get ready, to get them all ready, to get them notarized and out the door. business is good. God is amazing. All right, so let me get cracking, and yeah, just want to show off the new containers. All right. Hope you all have a good one. So I was kind of burping there in the middle of that. Oh, I do have a projector coming in today. Hopefully I get it because of the snowstorm we had on the 7th, a lot of stuff got delayed. So the projectors should be in today, and I hope so. It's an Epson. Just want to tell you that real quick, and it's going to be freaking amazing. All right, thank you all for your time.